Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm back with the lovely Bailey and we're going to be showing you two really easy, cute Halloween styles, spider and a ghost. Let's get going. So I'm just starting off by using a bit of wax spray, but you could use gel or water just to really get these pigtails nice and smooth. Using a smoothing brush or a comb. This is actually like a back combing brush that I kind of just use as a smoothing brush. I think it works really, really well. When you're happy with that pigtail, just pop in a bobble. So I haven't come too close to the centre part because I need room for my ghost. Exactly the same on the other side. Kind of twizzle the hair around and pin it. I'm just taking hold of this hair and just quite tightly wrapping this around. And I'm just going to pin this in place. So next you are going to take a little tissue like this. I've chosen like ones that you get out of the packet because they're a bit thicker. Ready, Bales? And then I'll just take that tissue, wrap it around this bun, take a little hair elastic, and then I'm just taking a marker really gently because you don't want the tissue to break. Doing little eyes. So this is Bailey's little ghost. How easy and fun was that? It cost nothing, just a bit of tissues and some black marker. But don't put black marker on the face. We used makeup, didn't we, Bailey? So my glamorous assistant is holding up the googly eyes that we're going to need for this one. Pair of socks, some pipe cleaners and some eyelash glue. And that is it. Let's get going, Bales. So I'm just going to cut the end off this sock. But if you've got like any kind of black material, this will work. So this little sock is going to go over the bun and just wrap that around the very edge nice and tightly. So pull it tight and then going to twist it once and just leave that there. I'm going to go again this way. So wrap it once, make sure it's kind of even, pull it tight, twist it once just to make sure it stays on. Leave that one like that. And then going to take these little legs and just bend them in the centre like so. So I'm just using a little bit of eyelash glue, but you can use anything that you want. It's going onto a sock, so it doesn't matter. Okay, Bailey's decided to go for one eye big and one eye a bit smaller to make him look a little bit like crazy. So I'll quickly do this one and you can see the finished result, how cute it looks. So that is our little spideys. Which is your favourite, Bales? The ghosts or the spiders? Spiders? Yeah, mine too. Love it. Have a great Halloween. Bye.